can you say, I farted?
I started.
You say, oops, I farted.
You put that titan.
What else can you say? Say, scoopin' peaches.
I read it.
What? What else
I
is
read
there?
it.
Nothing?
I read it.
You can reach it? Good job. Say,
Oh, no, you did.
say, oh no you didn't.
Eh.
No, say, oh no you didn't.
Oh,
Is it poop or chocolate?
People doctor.
Poop or chocolate?
People doctor.
Which one is it?
Not that.
Chocolate! Or is it because you farted?
Titan.
It was your fart?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was your what?
Yeah.
Yeah. What'd you do?
Titan.
You did. You better clean it up. Or is Mommy cleaning it up?
Mommy didn't know.
Mommy, clean up your fart. Tell her. Say, clean up my fart. Tell her. Say, clean up my fart. Fart. Yeah. And we say peaches.
Peaches.
Scooping peaches.
Peaches. I stand up.
No, don't stand up.